Good afternoon. Nifty started the festival week on a positive note. Recently, it made the new lifetime high of 10,251, but failed to hold its gain and fell down sharply on the Murat trading day. Market has seen a correction of around 150 points from higher levels, but overall major trend of the market remains intact to positive. It is multiple support near to 10,080, 10,100 zone, while on the upside hurdles are seen at 10,250. The cause of concern is the underperformance of the Bank Nifty, which is continuously falling down from last couple of trading sessions. Nifty surpassed the previous lifetime high of 10,178, headed to 10,251, but Bank Nifty failed to surpass the lifetime high of 25,198. It was away by 200 points from its lifetime high and corrected by more than 900 points in just 5 to 6 trading sessions. So the underperformance of the Bank Nifty is a cause of concern, which is restricting the upside momentum of the broader market. Bank Nifty fell down because of the disappointment from the quarterly earning of Axis Bank, when the stock fell down by 7-8%. Bank Nifty, which is having weightage near to 30%, now it has to take a lead, then only market may start the next leg of rally, otherwise some consolidation or profit booking decline would continue. Bank Nifty has immediate hurdle near to 24,250. If it manages to hold above the same, then only we may see an up move towards 24,500, 24,750, while holding below 24,000 may take the Bank Nifty index towards 23,650 kind of level. So now we have to look at the Bank Nifty index to find the next leg of rally in the broader market. Nifty per se, support is near to 10,100, hurdle is near to 10,250. We are heading towards the expiry week, and as per the option data, maximum put open interest is at 10,000 followed by 10,100. But intact call writing at 10,200 and 300 are restricting its upside momentum. So as per option data also, the market is likely to consolidate between 10,100 to 10,250 levels. Looking at the global markets, main indices are hitting to new lifetime high, especially Dow, S&P. We have seen the significant SIP flow in our domestic market. SIP flow has surpassed 5,000 crore per month. So the liquidity and the positive sentiment from the global indices are favoring the broader market. However, it's totally the stock specific action in the market. Stocks are likely to move as per the outcome of their quarterly earning. Now we are waiting for the earning of SDFC Bank, Infosys, TCS. Heavyweights like Axis Bank, Ultratech Cement already have declared their result. So almost in line result, and if results are not up to the line, then market is punishing the stock price movement. So overall, it will be the action-packed trading days as per the outcome from the result. We have seen a small jump in the volatility from lower levels, but overall, till it remains below 12.5, range bound move would be there in the market. Looking at the technical setup of the Nifty, major trend remains intact. Buy and decline is the strategy. But looking at the Bank Nifty, we have some cautious approach. If sustains below 24,000, then we may see a correction of 350 to 500 points. While we have to look at the 10,100 for the Nifty to get the further sign of the leg of rally in the market. In the last couple of days, there were many IPOs, especially the Godrej Agrovate, the listing of Mass Financial. So most of these IPOs got the good response. We were worried from the market sell-off which happened on the Murat trading session because of the selling in the global market, especially when Hang Seng fell down by more than 500 points. But overall, in the last Somvaar, market did well. It rallied by more than 17%. We hope that the positive scenario of the previous Somvaar would continue into the new series, new Somvaar. And the main trigger for the market is, as of now, is the global sentiment, positive global sentiment and the liquidity. So key levels are suggested to follow for any kind of trading. Stock specific selective oil and gas companies, especially Reliance Industry, IGL, Petronet, are likely to perform. In cement stocks, Ultratech may see some positive action after their better earning. We are likely to see positive action in selective NBFC, especially in LNTFS, Diwan Housing Finance. So stock specific action is likely to be there. 24,000 for the Bank Nifty and 10,100 for the Nifty are the key support level going forward. Thanks.